Welcome, welcome, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. This is an introduction video to allow you guys to know what I will be bringing on my platform. Those videos will be DIYs, makeup tutorials slash hauls, cookings, baking. Did I say DIYs? I think so. Those videos I will be bringing, I will also be bringing, unfortunately, lupus related videos because I was diagnosed in April 2008, and I want to be able to share my journey and let you guys know, let you guys in on some tips and tricks that help to kind of cope with the invisible illness. So I hope, like I said, you guys have already clicked that like button on this video that I posted today, my first ever one. Come on, guys. And have hit that notification bell so you won't miss a beat on when I do post. Until next time, guys, see you then. Welcome to my channel, Simply Allie Star.